Hi, and welcome to the Delist file demo. I have some codes I want to delete. And just in this field here, we have to say what block status we want, if they're a full block or a B1 or a worn block. The sheet auto-populates the date, which we'll see the reason for that soon. So we have on the sheet, we have all the buttons, or you can press the call all macros and it will go through them one by one. I'll start with the pricing button. So this deletes all of the products from the ITIL proposal. So you press go and you'll see an SAP. It goes into the IP and it deletes all of the products off all of the IPs. There we go, deletion complete. The next stage is the planning buttons. So there's two. So we delete the outstanding demand that's in SAP, and then clearing the MRP is done as a separate. So we click planning, and it runs through them all. There we go, no requirements. Deletion complete. And then we're going to clear the MRP. There we are. And then for formulations, we have deleting the production versions, BOM 1s and BOM 5s that we do for the sales BOM for medicated pellets. So we run this. Actually not showing it on this screen. It's basically going through deleting the master recipe as we speak. There we go. And now you can see that it's deleting the BOMs. It's working through them all on BOM 1s. There's no BOM 5s for any of these. Go. And then I'm just going to double check my SAP is on this screen for the next one. And then we have our master data blocks. So master data, and it works through each code and applies the blocks. It also changes the MRP settings to be relevant for IBP automatic updates. Go. And then the last button is an email to the business. So it sends one email to Kieran, where he then manually removes the product demand from the IBP Excel sheet that they work with. And then formulations get an email that says to clear other programs. And that is literally just the best mix and our online filing cabinet to keep the files tidy, and in Actemium as well to clear off the label template to keep everything tidy. This sheet can take up to, I think, 100. I think we programmed in for 100. And then this sheet, we can also plug in the phantom bombs. We would only need to run from formulations down. And we can also put in the phantom packaging. And again, it's just deleting the BOM and the master data for those bits and pieces. And that's the file. I have then been copying the codes and going into this file to keep a log of what we deleted and on what dates as just a running document. And that's the sheet. Thank you.